What is the conjugate of complex number? First of all, you should know what is the meaning of conjugate. Basically, this means something that have common features but they are opposite or reverse in particular. For complex numbers, a pair of complex numbers are said to be conjugate of each other if they have identical real parts and also identical imaginary parts except for being opposite in sign. In other words, we can say a number a plus ib and a minus ib are said to be conjugate of each other as they have same real parts and same imaginary parts, but imaginary parts are opposite in sign. You can see the first complex number has the positive imaginary part and its conjugate has the negative imaginary part. So these two are conjugate of each other. Now, how we can write conjugates of complex number? So the answer is, if we have a complex number c plus id that is equal to z, then its conjugate c minus id would be equal to z bar. So this is how we can write conjugate of complex number. Let's take some example of complex number and its conjugate. Let we have a complex number minus 3 plus 5i. Now, according to the definition of conjugate of complex number, its conjugate would be equal to minus 3 minus 5i. Yes, you can see both complex number and its conjugate have same real parts, but imaginary parts are opposite in sign. So these two numbers are conjugates of each other. Now the interesting thing about conjugate is, if we take the conjugate of any complex number twice, then as a result we will get back our original complex number. Let's verify this statement. Let we have a complex number z that is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2i. Its conjugate would be equal to 2 minus 3 by 2i, where both real parts are same and imaginary parts are different in only sign. So this is the conjugate of complex number z. Now we again take the conjugate of this number, and as a result we will get 2 plus 3 by 2i. So this is the proof. When we take the conjugate of any complex number twice, then we will get back our original number. The next question is, what if we add a complex number and its conjugate? So let's check. Let we have a complex number z and its conjugate z bar. Z is equal to a plus ib. So according to definition, its conjugate would be equal to a minus ib. Now we add a complex number and its conjugate. Z plus z bar is equal to a plus ib plus a minus ib. Now you can see that both complex number and its conjugate have the same real parts a and a, but there are imaginary parts that are opposite in sign. One is the positive and one is the negative. We will cancel out these two imaginary parts because of their opposite sign and add these two real parts. So as a result, we will get 2a. This means the sum of a complex number and its conjugate is equal to twice the real part of original number. So this is the result of sum of complex number and its conjugate. Now, what if we subtract a conjugate from complex number? So let's check. Z minus z bar is equal to a plus ib minus into a minus ib. After the multiplication of this number with minus, the signs of a minus ib will be changed, and as a result we will get minus a plus ib. Now you can see the first is positive real part and the second is negative real part. So we will cancel these two real parts and add two imaginary parts as they are same in sign. So as a result we will get 2ib, means If we subtract a conjugate from its complex number, then the result would be equal to twice the imaginary part of a original number. So this is the conjugate of complex number. In our today's lecture, we have discussed what are conjugate of complex numbers. In our next video, we will talk about how we can divide two complex numbers.